Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to turn on and off the dark mode on your account, on the general settings on your account on Rednote, easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Rednote section, the Rednote application, and then go to the three lines and then go to the settings, and here you will find this general settings. Click on it, and as you see here you will find this dark mode, so you can turn it on and off as you like. Also you can turn this one, use device setting, you can turn it on and off as you like, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.